Now to use the items function, items with the opening and closing parenthesis is called the items function. We just tried the keys function. Now to deal with the items function. So let me check an example here. Example number 8, data equals to person 1, house number 50, street number 90. To the point of data.items function, it will return this output. Look, I took the same data with the same value from here up to here, from here up to here. And then to the point of data.items, this time I put items function, data.items. When you take its print, you will get this output here. Now, what we mean by the items? From the items, we mean all the items, all the items. It can be key value, key value, key value. Everything comes under the items of the dictionary. So when you put data.items, it will return everything. But in what form? In pairs form. Look at here, person and then key 1, house number and then 50, street number and then 90. So this is my one pair, this is my second pair, this is my third pair. They have been separated with the commas here, here. Now look, if you remember last time, the output was persons with colons, Now we don't have colons, we have commas for the colons, because we are talking about the items of the dictionaries. So everything comes under the items. Person is one item, 1 is one item, house number is another item, 50 is another item, street number is another item, 90 is another item. But since we are doing for the dictionary, therefore they will be in pair form, in key value form. This whole thing from here up to here are called the dict items, which means dictionary items.